Hey guys, welcome to another super simple guitar tutorials. Today we have a beautiful and romantic song which called Love Me Like You Do by Ellie Goulding. For the basics of this song you need your guitar and standard tuning, and you will need a capo on the first fret of your guitar. So put your capo on the first fret and let's jump to the lesson. Let's start with the intro part. In the intro part we have G, D, E minor 7. And we're going to play the intro part for 2 times. And our strumming pattern is down, 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 then up. Again, down, 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 then up. Down, 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 then up. So the intro part will sound like this. Now we get to the verse part. In the verse part we have G, B7, E minor 7, C, D, and E minor 7 again. And we are going to use the strumming pattern that we used for the intro part, and we're going to play the verse part for 2 times. So the verse part will sound like this. Now before we get to the chorus part, let's learn the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern goes like again, down, then up, down, then up, then up, down, down, then up, down, then up, then up, down. Slower, down, then up, down, down, up, then up, down, down, then up, down, then up, then up, down. Notice that we are going to add accent in the third down. Down, then up, down. Now what is an accent? Accent means that you are going to play that strum a little bit harder than the rest. For example, down, then up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down. I'm playing the third D harder than the others. And we're going to change our chord after the accent. For example, G to B minor 7 will sound like this. Again. Now you get the idea of changing chord. Let's move to the chorus part. In the chorus part we have G, B minor 7, E minor 7, C, A minor, and finally E minor. So in total the chorus part will sound like this. Now if you don't have any capo and you don't have any problem with holding bar chords, let's move on to the no capo version. In the no capo version, our chords in the intro change to C, G, A minor, and F. Now we are going to play the intro part 2 times with the same strumming pattern that we used for the Capo version. So the intro part will sound like this. Now we get to the verse part. In the verse part we have C, G, A minor, F, G, and finally A minor. And we're going to use the same strumming pattern that we use for the intro part. And we're going to play the verse part also for 2 times. So the verse part will sound like this. Now finally we get to the chorus part, and again we're going to use the strumming pattern that we used in the Capo version in the same pattern. I mean that we're going to change our chord after accent. So in the chorus we have C, G, A minor, and F. So the chorus will sound like this. That's it guys, thanks for the watching, and if you found out this lesson helpful, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar tutorials. See you later.